Yeah, thank you and good morning. Thank you for having me today. Very excited of the quarter we've delivered. As you've rightly said, a beat on the quarter, really strong performance across the entire company, actually, where kind of 2% revenue growth, as well as significant progress towards our operating income and margin expansion. Where is it coming from? On our care delivery business, which is our clinic business, really seeing visible progression there and posting positive patient volume growth in the US. So that's quite an inflection point for us. And as you also said, a significant increase in our margin band, moving to 11.2% for that care delivery business. So significant progress on both the turnaround and the transformation. And the work that we've been doing all year is really starting to pay off, despite actually quite a challenging quarter from weather-related effects in the US with all the hurricanes that we overcame. In our care enablement business, which is our product business, again, visible progress along the margin, posting another 5.6% margin there. And again, I think the value of our vertical integration in the company of being a product company and a service company really paid off in the US. Where we didn't skip a beat with the kind of the IV shortages that many of the companies in healthcare were suffering in the quarter. So overall, both segments really posting strong results, all fueled as well by our FME25 transformation program, visible progress and continued momentum there, where we've actually taken up the outlook for that for the year, where we'd guided about 100 to 150 for the year. We're already at 173 and now think we'll be at about 200 million. So that transformation effort really gathering momentum in the quarter. So overall, really strong results and strengthening our balance sheet and delivering as well. So we feel really proud of the progress that's been delivered in the quarter.
Helen, it is election day, and there is a view that if it is a Trump victory, there could be more implications for Obamacare. How are you thinking about the election and how it could impact the business?
Yeah, I think we're all watching the election closely. We'll see when we get results this week. For us, though, being kind of one of the largest dialysis providers in the country, thankfully, because of the size of number of patients that we have in the US, we always have said that we're kind of get a lot of bipartisan support for our industry and for our patients. Way back to Nixon that put in the current mechanism for reimbursement, obviously Obamacare, even with Trump with the executive order on kidney care, and with Biden giving relief for the pandemic. So we've always seen, no matter who's in power, good support and bipartisan support for the industry. But of course, we're all watching anxiously to see what the ultimate results will be. We'll see when we get those as the week goes on.